Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to clean up my Zippo. I'm going to change the wick and change the flint, and I'm going to show you how I do it. I use the knonw to clean my Zippos. I use the Zippo fuel to fill my Zippos up. I get the original wick and flint, my Leatherman, my Spyderco and some Q-tips, and my Zippo. This is a 1941 replica. If you see, it's pretty dirty. The wick is burned and the lighter is messed up. So what I will do, I will take this apart and show you how I clean it. So the first thing I do is to remove the flint. There it is, throw that away. I remove the filt pad. Here I got a spare flint. And I'm going to remove the rain balls. Usually you got 5 rain balls in your lighter. 2, 3, 4, 5. There's your wick. There's one rayon ball behind the flint tube, but this one I don't need to remove. It's not in the way, so I don't remove it. So what I will start with is to clean up my chimney. As you see, it's dirty in there, some flint dust and soot. So what I use is the knonw lighter fluid. It's a bit cheaper than Zippo, but for cleaning it works great in the lighter, but I use it for cleaning. So what I do, I spread some fuel in the chimney to loosen the dirt up, like this. And I let that sit for a moment. And then I take a Q-tip and soak that with fuel as well. And then I start to clean the chimney. The lighter fuel is a good cleaner. It removes dirt very good, as you can see on my Q-tip. And then I use the dry side. Cleaning all the corners and everywhere inside my chimney. And you can see things starting to look fine. I will use another Q-tip and just soak it in the lighter fluid, like this. I start around the flint, outside the chimney, under the cam spring. It's always dirt under the cam spring. So as you can see, it's much cleaner. It's not brand new, but this is a really used one, so but it's much cleaner. So what I have to do now is to replace the wick. Here we got a Zippo wick, one wick. Open this up. So here it is. It's one wick. You can see on the old one I have been cutting it sometime to get a cleaner wick, but I could refreshen this with cutting it several times more, so I could use this one, but I replace it with a brand new one. So I just twist. Oh, come on, focus. Focus. There you go. I just twist end, and then I take my insert and push this through. There you are. Like this. The wick should be flush with the top of the chimney, so about there. So I hold it in place, and then I put in the first rayon ball. And then I bend the wick over the first rayon ball in a S shape, like this. And then I insert the next one. Then I place the wick over that rayon ball, like this, and insert a new rayon ball, and then over again, like this. And put the rest of the rayon balls inside. Oh. Just push it down. So there it is. Let's adjust the wick a little bit. So there you see it. It's close to the top of the chimney. Perfect. Then I put in a new flint stone. Oh, come on. There you go. Like this. I put the filt back and the flint spring. Like so. Whoa. It's actually a little bit of fuel in this lighter, so it ignited. But what I will do now is fill it up. So I lift the cam, put it upside down in the case, like this, and then I use the Zippo fuel. So what I do, I lift the filt, count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and wait for 5 seconds. And then I count to 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let it soak. Trying to not overfill it. I take a one squeeze. 1, 2, 3. Like this. Just flip it over again. Like that. Now you can see it's almost perfectly clean, and it fires. So that's how I clean my Zippos. So thank you for watching, subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye bye.